Breaking news from the Secure 65 Health Plans Network. Now, before you make that sandwich, salad, salsa, or bowl, please check your refrigerator. A multi-state salmonella outbreak has been linked to recalled fresh jalapeno peppers grown in Mexico and distributed by Coast Citrus Distributors. This is the August 10th update. 345 illnesses have been reported across 27 states. 36 people have been hospitalized, and thankfully, no deaths have been reported. The recall includes whole jalapeños and prepared foods containing them, including certain burritos, bowls, guacamole, sandwiches, salsa, salads, dips, and wraps. Affected products were sent to major retailers, including Kroger, Target, Trader Joe's, Walmart, Whole Foods, Hannaford, Stop & Shop, and others. Some recalled products carry a best if used by date through August 16, 2026. If you have a recalled product, do not taste it and do not try to rescue the rest of the container. Throw it away or return it. Then wash anything it touched with hot, soapy water or place washable items in the dishwasher. Salmonella can cause diarrhea, fever, and stomach cramps, usually beginning 6 hours to 6 days after exposure. Adults 65 and older face a higher risk of serious illness. Call your healthcare provider if you have bloody diarrhea, a fever above 102 degrees, diarrhea lasting more than 3 days, vomiting that prevents you from keeping liquids down, or signs of dehydration, such as very little urination, a dry mouth, or dizziness when standing. Please use the fact sheet and official recall links in the description. Share this alert with someone you love. This is Monet Swan with the Secure 65 Health Plans Network, where seniors thrive.
Secure